I don't know what's going on with my camera, but anyway, continuing on repairing this novelty clock, we were inspecting the chains, and there was some plastic. So what I did was took my lighter and ran the chain up and down my lighter. I got the ceiling fan going on, and that took care of the plastic. So the chain is now good. The links I inspected, they are good. I'm going to put the chain into the movement, and then I'm going to put the movement back into that plastic case. Now this plastic case, the movement just slid in these slots. This is the second novelty clock that I worked on where it wasn't nailed into the housing, it slid into the slots. So I need to put the chain holes, run the chain down the holes into the appropriate hole, and then slide the movement back into those slots. Put this gear on. This gear is what is for the hour wheel. And then put this back on. And I think I'm going to put another nail versus gluing. Because I don't want the face falling off. I might do that later. I decided to add a drop of glue at the top of the case. I'm putting the fan on, but it has some damage, so I'm trying to color that damage in. I wish I was an artist like my friend Julie. Permanent markers, I don't think are going to do it. I'm probably going to have to get some paint to fill it in. Or I just change the color of the whole band and it'll look better. Plus the ink will protect the damaged metal. That's my thought process behind it, at least. I'm not a scientist. Looks a lot better to me. This particular clock, it's got this washer here that has two little nubs on it. I don't know if you can see it. Let me get something where maybe you can see it. Those two little nubs is for the minute hand because it has holes in it, and so that goes on first, and then this minute hand, that way it goes into the two nubs, and then the nut. So, washer, hands, and then the nut. But and when I pull on the chain, I get the escapement wheel needs to be bent. As you can see, the windmill is turning around. It's a novelty function clock. And let's look at the hands this time around. The arbor. It's not bent, so I accomplished what I set out to accomplish. And here you can see it's on my test stand. If I turn it around, you'll see the windmill spinning. So I'm gonna call that good. Hope y'all enjoyed this video set. Hit the subscribe button. God bless.